And I'm talking, let's create a ERC20 token. I have created a repository for you. If you want my code, then it is totally free. You can just click on the link in the description of this video to get this. And here 01 Ethereum ERC20 token, you can get all the codes in here. Okay, for this tutorial we are going to use Hardhat. So let me just open my terminal. I'll make it a little bit bigger so you can see it properly. Control Shift Plus. Okay, my operating system is Linux. So if you are using Windows or Mac OS, that is totally fine. You can follow this tutorial. You just need to install Node.js. I have installed it already, so I don't need to install Node.js again. Let me show you. This is my Node.js version, and I also have npm. This is my npm version. I'll create a project directory for this tutorial, so let's do it. cd. Wherever you want to create the project, you just need to head to that directory. So I am going to do that. And tutorial, and I have a few projects in here, so I'm going to create a new one. Here it is, 08 ERC20 Hardhat. Let me see if there is anything. There is nothing in this folder, so I'm going to create a folder with name of en tutorial code. So I'm going to open it with my cursor AI. If you are using Visual Studio Code or any other code editor, that is totally fine. I'm going to open the folder I have created earlier. So let's do it. Videos, inside videos, web dev lab, tutorials, 08 Ethereum. Okay, this is the folder we just created. Initially it has nothing, so I'm going to create the project with Hardhat. So let's go to Hardhat website, and in here just click on get started. You can see the installation guide. So just click on this, and here you can install Hardhat in this way. Before that, I'm going to create a npm. Let me go to that specific folder, en tutorial code, and in here let me just clear everything. I'm going to initiate an npm project, npm init. Then I'm going to, the name will be, the package name will be this. Let's just, okay, it is created successfully. Now I'm going to run this command, npm install save dev hardhat. I'm going to run this hardhat in my dev dependency. I'm going to run a few commands in order to initiate the project. npm hardhat init to initiate our smart contract project. So let's just click on this, create JavaScript project. I'm not going to use JavaScript. Most of the case I use TypeScript in my tutorial, so I'm going to select TypeScript. If you don't have any knowledge about TypeScript, that's totally fine. I'm going to keep my project root. I'm going to press enter, so it will be selected automatically. Do you want to add a git ignore? Yes, I want. Help us improve anonymous crash report. Okay, no. Then do you want to install these simple project dependencies with npm? Yes. Let's install all those dependencies. You should see a message, project created. To get help, you can run the command npx hardhat. It will list all the available commands we have, and we must run this npx hardhat command inside our folder, our project folder. Okay, And here in our readme file there are a few commands we need to run. This is how we are going to deploy. Let me just copy the command and paste it here and press enter. It will deploy our contract. So we have a contract and it deployed successfully. Let's take a look. Inside contracts we have log.sol and we have simple withdraw function, and this is our contract. This is an event, this is constructor. By default they will give us those things, this contract. We don't actually need this. We are going to create our own contract. The name of the contract will be my token, and I guess I have given an space. Okay, here I'll write a comment, SPDX license. If you have used Solidity previously, I guess you know what it is. If you don't add this command, it will warn us with an warning. Okay, and we need to select our Solidity version. So I'm going to choose Solidity greater than 0.8.28. This is the version I'm going to use for this tutorial. Okay, I made the spelling mistake. Pragma Solidity. Okay, it is not showing any error, and this is the contract. Our contract is going to be very small. My token is ERC20. This ERC20 we are actually extending this class. We haven't imported it, but we will do it. So in order to deploy, instead of this log file, we need to run my token.ts. Here I am going to create my token.ts inside ignition modules. My token ignition modules. Here it will be my token. There is a script. We are not going to use it. Instead we are going to create it from scratch.